Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, 17th chapter, text 33. Tad adharma bandho dharmena satyena chavartitavye brahma varte tatra danti jagye jagyeswaram jagya vidana vijñā. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Therefore, O friend of a religion, you do not deserve to remain in a place where experts perform sacrifices according to truth and religious principles for the satisfaction of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Parikshita Maharaj says to Kali, isn't it? Repeat translation. Therefore, O friend of irreligion, you do not deserve to remain in a place where experts perform sacrifices according to truth and religious principles for the satisfaction of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Jagyasura, or the Supreme Personal Godhead, is the beneficiary of all kinds of sacrificial ceremonies. Such sacrificial ceremonies are prescribed differently in the scriptures for different ages. In other words, sacrifice means to accept the supremacy of the Lord and thereby perform acts by which the Lord may be satisfied in all respects. The atheists do not believe in the existence of God, and they do not perform any sacrifice for the satisfaction of the Lord. Any place or country where the supremacy of the Lord is accepted and the sacrifice is performed is called Brahmavarta. There are different countries in different parts of the world, and each and every country may have different types of sacrifice to please the Supreme Lord. But the central point in pleasing Him is ascertained in the Bhagavatam, and it is truthfulness. The basic principle of religion is truthfulness, and the ultimate goal of all religion is to satisfy the Lord. In this age of Kali, the greatest common formula of sacrifice is the Sankirtana Yajna. That is the opinion of the experts who know how to propagate the process of Yajna. Lord Chaitanya preached this method of Yajna, and it is understood from this verse that the sacrificial method of Sankirtan Yajna may be performed anywhere and everywhere in order to drive away the personality of Kali and save human society from falling prey to the influence of the age. Jagyeswara Jagya. Kali is friend of irreligion, Adharma Bandhu. Therefore said, Adharma Bandho. Here this sloka says, Na vartitavyam tad adharma bandho. Oh, adharma bandho, you are friend of irreligion. Kali means pap. Irreligion means pap, sinful activity. Understand? So this is Kali Yuga. Kali is very influential. You understand? Adharma bandho, no dharma at all. Therefore, mostly in many countries in the world, the government has accepted, what is that? Secular state. Dharma nirupekya. Dharma nirupekya. Secular. No particular dharma. What is one's dharma? That, all right. Isn't it? Some concocted dharma one has thought of. All right, yes. With secular state, we cannot. That is his dharma. Isn't it? What is nonsense? When Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami, Prabhupada Maharaj, went to, in Medinipur, went to a school and asked the headmaster, please allow us, we will speak. And Supreme Lord, do you understand? You follow how he will be pleased. What is the Yajna, understand? But he was not allowed. No, 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 no. Our country is secular state. Dharma nirapekha rashtra. Understand me? Here are followers of many dharmas. Hindus are there, Muslims are there, Christians are there. So many are there. How can you speak about only Hindu dharma? I said, no, I am not speaking Hindu dharma. I'll speak what is real dharma. No, no, no. There is controversial points. Quarreling over it, fighting over it. Mohammedan Hindus fighting. This and this dharma followers fighting. So we should not allow. We will not allow you. Do you understand? It is not allowed. They don't know what is the real dharma. You have gone to desert. There is no water. You see only mirage, isn't it? In the desert, look like water, isn't it? Look like very nice sparkling water. Oh yes, there is. Is very thirsty. Thought is past. Where is water? Where is water? Where is water? No water. Desert. Mirage is only visible. Look like. Very nice sparkling. Oh, here water. Runs. Cannot get it. So, you have been cheated, Baba. You have been cheated. Only showing the mirror, you think it water and you run behind it, you cannot get it, you are cheated. Then you drew conclusion that there is no water. What is this nonsense? What is this nonsense? There is no water? I want to not inquire. What is true water? You have been cheated. You don't know what is real dharma. So there are different controversial points, different opinions about dharma. So we should not inquire what is real dharma and we should not speak about dharma. What is that? He said like that. You understand my point, what I am saying? To what point I am hitting? Understand? Understand? You have intelligence, you should understand. What point I am hitting? What is the dharma nirapekha rashtra? Secular state. What is one's nonsensical dharma, one can't call that dharma? You have seen only glowworm, Papa. Glowworm. Understand glowworm? What is that? Creator? Some light comes out. Glowworm. Then you catch a glowworm. Oh, light coming out. Touched it. Oh, where there is light, there is no burning sensation. You draw that conclusion. Where there is light, there is no burning sensation. You draw that conclusion. You have seen only glowworm, Baba. You have not seen the real fire. Then you draw that conclusion where there is fire, there is light, there is no burning sensation, no burning. What is this nonsense? Quarreling there over the topic of dharma, different opinions are there, controversial point. Therefore, not to discuss about real dharma. Speaking, what is that? Nonsense. Understand? He says like that. Bhakti Siddhanta. Here he says, what is real dharma? Atma dharma, Jaiva dharma, dharma of the soul. Sarva dharman paitejya mamekam saranam brata, abandoning all varieties of dharma. You have conquered so many varieties of dharma. Abandoning all varieties of dharma, just surrender unto me. Dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami juge juge. Dharma comes from whom? Dharma mulahi bhagavan sarva vedamaya hari. Sudhanidhi. Dharma mulai bhagavan sarva vedamaya hari. Bhagavata says. Prabhupada says here. Supreme Lord, central point of pleasing, sacrifice to please Supreme Lord, the central point pleasing, asserted in Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam. What Bhagavatam says? Dharmamulai Bhagavan Sarva Vedamaya Hari. Dharmam tu Sakhyat Bhagavat Pranitam. Navai Vidursayo Napi Deva. Asura Manusya. Kuto Siddha Asura Manusya. Kuto no Vidyadhara Chanadaya. 6 cantos of Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam speaks about it. Purana Mamalam, Pramana Mamalam. Spotless proof, spotless Purana. Bhagavata, Bhagavata de Namani Javan Sama. Tar Sasta Che Janme Janme Prabhu Jama. Don't accept Bhagavata is Mritsa Javan. Is to be punished by Jamaraj, not one life, life after life. That's what Prabhupada says. It's ascertained in Bhagavatam. So, Bhagavad says, Dharma Mulai Bhagavan Sarva Vedamaya Hari. Hari is the source of Dharma. Dharma tu Sakyat Bhagavad Panitam. Supreme Lord says in Gita, Dharma Sansthapanarthaya Sambhavami Juge Juge. Every millennium, every Juga I descend here to establish Dharma. That is Bhagavad Dharma, Parama Dharma, Supreme Dharma, Sanatana Dharma, Atma Dharma. Understand? It is not Hindu Dharma, Muslim Dharma, Christian Dharma, Dharma of the white man, Dharma of the black man, Dharma of this country, Dharma of that country, European Dharma, American Dharma, Indian Dharma, Japanese Dharma, Chinese Dharma, Australian Dharma. No, such Dharma. It is a universal Dharma. Universal Dharma. Dharma for all jivas. Atma Dharma, Dharma of the soul. Yes. So, we should not discuss about Dharma. No, don't discuss. Our secular state. You don't know. Baba, you have been cheated. Seeing mirrors, you said there is no water. Seeing a glowworm, where there is light, there is no body sensation. What is this nonsense? Do you understand? Understand Siddhanidhi? Adharma bandho, kalija adharma bandho. So, there is once one such news came out in newspaper. Do you understand? One sannyasini was there. Sannyasini. Understand? Sannyasini? Sannyasini. She was always remaining naked. Naked. Understand? Somehow she committed some crime, some criminal activity. Then sued in the court. It's called to the court. She said, all right, I'll go naked. Then court said, no, how can you come to the court naked? Oh, this is my dharma. And this is secular state. Yeah, nobody can interfere in one's dharma, secular state, whatever one dharma, that's good for him. We'll should it. She had given advocate. Her advocate said, that is her dharma. Then you violate constitution. Constitution, Then the advocate are fighting. This side advocate, that side advocate. What is this nonsense? Come naked to the court, that is my dharma. Then at last they decided, yes, that is dharma, it is secular state, we should not interfere. She may come naked, but there will be some, some great screens will be there. Only his head will be visible, no other part will be visible, she may come. Nonsense. What is this nonsensical dharma? Here say, oh, friend of irreligion, this is called Yuga. Only irreligion, no true religion is there, therefore the government saying about the secular state, dharma nirapikyo, real dharma you cannot discuss, Baba. Yes, making laws. Nonsense. Because Kali is ruling Kali. Kali is Chela. Followers of Kali, they never follow. Principle Dharma, never follow the Bhagavad Dharma. Here it says Jagya. Experts perform sacrifice according to truth and religious principles, satisfied with the Supreme Person Godhead. You don't deserve remain in that place. You are adharma bandho, friend of adharma. Kali Yuga means adharma. Irreligion, pap. Kali means fighting. Kali means quarreling, fighting. Dambha, maap kati. Dambha, pride is measuring rod. Understand? It's Kali. Adharma, irreligion, pap. All are committing sinful activities, consciously or unconsciously. And the measuring rod of this Kali Yuga is dambha. Understand? Dambha? Pride. Dambha darpa bhimanasya krodha parusumyevacha ajnana chabhijatasya partha sampada asuri. Isn't it? Gita. Read Gita, Baba. Gita padho. Quote Gita. Siddhanidhi. Yeah, Gita is the first book. First book is Gita. Prabhupada stressed on Gita, isn't it? He stressed on Gita. Yes, that is first book. First. Everything is there in Gita, but first book Gita, yes. Dambhadarpa bhimanasya krodha parusumyevacha ajnana chabhijatasya partha sampada asuring. 16th chapter, isn't it? Isn't it? 16th chapter. Daivasura sampada yoga. 16th chapter is reading. You cannot say. Yeah, Daiva, Asura. Divine characteristic, demonic characteristic, isn't it? Daivasura. These are demonic characteristics. Dambhadarpa vimanasya krodha parusumyevacha ajnana chabhijatasya partha sampada asuri. Pride, arrogance, conceit, harsh words, ignorance. These are the demoniac characteristics. Do you understand? The Kali Yuga, demons, or nobody following real dharma, only adharma, and Kali is adharma bandho, friend of religion, pap. Therefore Parikshit Maharaj says, you do not deserve to remain in a place where experts perform sacrifice according to truth and the religious principles, satisfaction of Supreme Personal Godhead. There is no place for you. Isn't it? Because pride is the measuring rod, dambha in the Kali Yuga. Yes. Everybody thinks, hum badai. Yeah. Isn't it? Aditya Singh says, I am great, I am bada hai. Bhakta says, what? Tum bada, hum bada hai. Then fighting began. Fighting began. Yes. Quarreling. Yes, this is Kali Yuga. Isn't it? Nirapata says, hum bada hai. Yeah, we are hum bada hai. Ananta says, what is that? Tum bada, hum bada hai. Then fighting began. Ishwardas says, hum bada hai. He stood up and said, hum bada hai. Then fighting, quarreling. Two men are quarreling. Two groups are quarreling. Countries are quarreling. States are quarreling. Societies are quarreling. Communities are quarreling. It's called quarreling going on, isn't it? Everybody, every group, says, hum bada. It's such age. Kali Yuga. Adharma bandho. This says, adharma bandho. You are a friend of a religion where pride is measuring rod. Quarreling, fighting going on. What is this? And where is auspiciousness? Where is real religion? Truth, Baba. Therefore, in this age, Kalau tat hari kirtana. Kalau tat hari kirtana. Harer naam, nameva kevalam. Kalau nasteva, nasteva. Kali Yuga, there is no other way. Harer nameva kevalam. Only take shelter of Harina. Do you understand? Nam Jagya. Kalau tat hari kirtana. Do you understand? That is the real Jagya. Sankirtan Jagya. Isn't it? Real Jagya. Varieties of Jagya are there. Varieties of Jagya. Gita says, read Gita, Baba. Bahuvida Jagya. Bahuvida Jagya Vitasa Brahmana Mukhe. Gita says, Krishna says, Bahuvida Jagya. Varieties of Jagya. Said in Veda, isn't it? Brahmana Mukhe. Brahmana means Veda. But what is real Jagya? Prescribed Jagya for Kali Yuga. Harer Nam, Harer Nam, Harer Nam, Eva Keva. Kalau Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva. There is no other way, no other way, no other way in Kali Yuga. Harer Nam, Eva Kevalam. Only take shelter of Harinam. This is the only Jagya. Thereby you will please the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Experts performing sacrifices against truth and religious principles, self-expression, Supreme Lord. You cannot remain. Where there is Sankirtan Jagya going on, Kali cannot remain there. Is Adharam Bandha. Jagya should be there. Gita says. Bolo. What Gita says? 18th chapter. Jagya nana sapakarama na tajyam karjam eva tat jagya nanu tapasaiva pavanani manishinam. Go to Gita. Sudhanidhi, what can you do? Read Gita. Daily read. Yes, very minutely read, understand. Prabhupada has stressed on Gita, isn't it? All his speech is based on Gita. Yes, isn't it? That is needed for you. Yes, you need this thing only. You cannot such higher things now. Read Gita first. Yes. I laugh. Jagyanam tapakarmanam tajyam kajyam evatat jagyananam tapasaiva pavanani manishinam. 18.5 Gita. Read translation. Yes, bring your Gita. 18th chapter, 5th verse. Read translation. What Gita says. 18.5 Jagyanan sapakarma na tajyam karjamevata jagyananam tapasaiva pavanani manishinam. Find out?
Jagyadana tapakarma
na tajyam.
na tajyam kamyamevatat jagyodanam tapaschaiva
Pavanani manishinam. Yes, read translation.
Acts of sacrifice, charity, and penance are not to be given up.
Not to be given up. Yes.
But should be performed.
Yes.
Indeed, sacrifice, charity, and penance purify even the great soul.
The good soul, that cannot be given up. That's always sacrifice, Jagya, Dana, Tapa, Karma. For the welfare of human society, what type of Jagya is required should not be given up. In Kali Yuga only Nam Jagya is required. That cannot be given up. That is all welfare, auspiciousness for human society. And that should be recommended by Supreme Lord, Supreme authorities. And it is recommended. Sankirtana Jagya Kalautat Harikirtanas, isn't it? Every Yuga, Yuga Dharma, Yuga Avatar is there, Yuga Dharma is there, isn't it? Krute Adhyata Vishnu Tretaya Ajate Makhi Dvapari Parichaya Jayam Kalautat Harikirtanas. This is prescribed Jagya, Dharma, isn't it? Kruta Yuga means Satya Yuga, Dhyana. Treta Yuga, Jagya, just a Makhi. That is Jagya, fire sacrifice, Swaha, Swaha. Do you understand? Offering of blessings, fire sacrifice, pleasing of demigods, different types of Jagyas are there. Do you understand? Dvapari Parichajaya, Dvapara, opulent deity worship. Kalautat Harikirtana. Kali Yuga only Harikirtana. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. This is Krishna's own words. Yajnana tapakarma no tajyam kajyam eva tat yajnana tapasya pavanani manishana should not be given up. Isn't it? This is prescribed by Supreme Lord, is the will of Lord. This is bhakti, this is the will of Lord. This is prescribed yajna, one should not give up. Do you understand? Kali Yuga, one yajna is prescribed only, that is Nam yajna. Sankirtan yajna, isn't it? All of yajnas are, per se, not recommended. Not recommended in Kali Yuga. Do you understand? Only Nam yajna. You follow? So, Gita, 3rd chapter. By that yajna, if you do Nam yajna, what will happen? Kali means Papa, irreligion, adharma bandho, friend of a religion, Kali, Pap. Consciously, unconsciously, everybody is committing sinful activities, isn't it? How the sinful reactions will be destroyed if you perform yajna, prescribed yajna, isn't it? And this is prescribed yajna in Kali Yuga Harinama. That is stated in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Sankirtana haite papo sansaro nasana. Sankirtana haite papo sansaro nasana. Chitta sudhi sarva bhakti sadhana udgama. Chitta sudhi sarva bhakti sadhana udgama. Krishna prema udgama prema mruto aswadana. Krishna mruto aswadana. Krishna prapti Premamruto samudri majjana. Krishna prapti premamruto samudri majjana. This stated, Chaitanya Charitamrita. Sankirtana hoite pap sansar nashon. Understand? If you do Hari Sankirtan, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Bahur Minitva Sankirtana. Understand? Many devotees will assemble together, congregate and chant loudly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Congregational chanting, loud chanting, understand? Thereby, papa sansara nasana, all sinful reaction will be destroyed. All right? That's your duty. Arrange grand sankirtana, procession, jatra. Purified the whole world, yes. Kali Yuga, yes. All are committing pap. Consciously, unconsciously, understand? Yes. How will it be? Destroyed only by Sankirtan. Yes. No other means is that is a prescription prescribed. It should not be given up. Then comes Chitta Suddhi Sarva Bhakti Sadharudgama. Chetadarpanam Arjanam Bhavamaha Davagni Nirvapanam Sreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam Anandam Buddhivardhanam Pratipade Purna Prata Swadanam Sarvatma Snapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Mahaprabhu Sikastaka, first verse. Do you understand? If you do fire sacrifice, do you understand? Havan, Swaha, pour ghee, flame come out. Isn't it? Yesterday they were doing fire sacrifice. Swaha, flame coming out. So you do Sankirtan Yajna, so flame will come out, isn't it? No? He said no. Yajna, question Yajna is there, fire is there, flame is there, Baba. You have no eye? Sudhanidha, how can you do Sankirtan Yajna? Are Baba, how can you do? He said, no. Are you blind? Don't be blind, Baba. Open eye. Open eye. See how flames are there. Here in Sikhastaka, Mahaprabhu said, 7 flames coming, Baba. 7 flames. Can't you see 7 flames? Etadarpana marjanam bhava mahadavagnirvapanam sreya kairava chandrika vitaranam vidyavadhu jivanam anandambudhi vardhanam pratipade purnamrita aswadanam sarvatma snapanam param vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtan. 7. 7 flames coming out. Sapta jiho sankirtana yajna. Understand? Sapta jiho. 7 tongues coming out, 7 flames. Understand? First is Chetadarpana Marjanam. Here is a Chitta Suddhi. Heart will be cleansed of all sinful reactions, material contaminations. How the heart will be cleansed? So much filth accumulated there in your heart. So lots of lives accumulated like a Himalayan mountain, isn't it? I'll be cleansed up. Any scientist knows, any means are given, any material scientist. You may clean the outer body. Or scientists, medical science, what you say? Doctors, some stool is accumulated there in your, what is that? Intestine. They give you this. Enema, then clear. Stool is clear. They know this thing only. They don't know how to clear the heart. Do they know? They don't know.